Hello, beautiful community. This is a Cypress burl that was given to me some time ago by young Pat, who's a arborist in town, and he gave me a couple of different types of wood. And this one has been sitting in the wood pile for some time, and I decided to give it a go. I thought I'd open it up and see what could be done, and it took a while to find the centre, and it ended up being around or just under 600 millimeters in diameter, which is what's that, about 24 inches. I used the 1/2 inch spindle gouge, and I just got into it, and I thought I'd stop and check to make sure it was secure on the lathe, and it just didn't look right. It just didn't look like it was centered, and I was going to be turning a lot of wood off, which seemed unnecessary. So off come the faceplate, and I repositioned it roughly about 25 mil to one side, or about an inch to one side, and that gave me a better center, and I'm glad I did that, because I didn't take off as much wood as what I would have if I had left it. Anyway, we kept on going, and it just looked like it was going to be a very deep bowl. The proportions just didn't look right. So we cut it into half just to make two bowls out of it, and they were probably more shallow bowls, but I think it was better than making a deep bowl. Just wouldn't look right. So the first bowl took a little while to turn, and when I was nearly finished, just didn't like the way it was finishing. There was still quite a few cracks, fairly big cracks, and there's some voids just near the rim of the bowl, and I just didn't like it at all. So I put that away, put that aside, and I started on the second piece, and we ended up turning that into a bowl, keeping some of the bark on the rim. For the two pieces, I mainly used a 1/2 inch spindle gouge, and then a scraping tool just near the end to finish off the inside of the bowls. And the second bowl only needed a light sand, which was done using tung oil. So the bowl has a lovely grain pattern. It's absolutely delicious. And at some stage I'll get the other half that I didn't finish, and I'll try and sort that out and finish it off. I think it'll probably need a bit of resin in it just to fill up some of the cracks and some of the voids. But that's a job for another day. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this video. I'll see you next time. Cheerio.